Hello friends, welcome to our channel Pharmacy World. We were in the B Pharmacy 4th semester of Medicinal Chemistry 1. Today we will complete our lecture 6th, which include ionization. We have complete 2 to 3 lectures of unit 1st. You guys can see the video. I will put the link in the description box. You can also check the playlist of the 4th semester. Let's move to the first topic, that is ionization. Let us understand in simple way what is ionization with example. See here, take any compound like NaCl. When it dissociates, it forms Na plus and Cl minus. This process is called as ionization process. For example, take any drug which is in a neutral form without containing any charge in it, and that form is called as anionic form. When that anionic form is dissociated, it forms an ionic form, and this process is called as ionization process. So, the conversion of anionic form into ionic form is called as ionization process. Let me give another example. Take water. It is in unionized form. When it dissociates, it forms H plus and OH minus, and this is in ionized form or in ionic state. This is in unionized form. I hope you guys understood what is ionization. Also clarify another concept that many get confused about cation and anion. For example, A is a compound. If the electron release and it will gain a positive charge, then it is called as cation. Whereas if electrons are accepted, it will gain negative charge, and that is called as anion. I think you guys understood. So, ionization is a process by which molecules acquire a negative or positive charge by gaining or losing electron. The resulting charged molecule is called as an ion. So, example are NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus, they are in ionic form, these are in unionized form. Same in acetic acid, CH3CO minus and H plus, HCl also, H plus and Cl minus. So, these are the example and this is the definition. I think you guys understood what is ionization process. Now, let's understand how ionization is related to biological action. It plays an important role in pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics means movement of drugs in body. Pharmacokinetics also involves ADME. ADME means A means absorption, D is distribution, M is metabolism and E is excretion. See, when the drug is taken, it is very important that it must be in unionized or ionized form. Let us understand its nature. That when the drug is in unionized form, it shows lipophilic nature, whereas if the drug is in ionized form, it shows hydrophilic nature. Let us understand what are the effects of drugs when induced to body. For example, take any type of drug which is in unionized or ionized form. So, when the drug is in unionized form, it shows lipophilic nature, whereas if the drug is in ionized form, it shows hydrophilic nature. So, during intake, drug should be always in unionized form, that is, it should be in neutral form, because reaction should take place when it reaches site of action. Drug which is in unionized form move from mouth, then to esophagus and finally the stomach. This stomach contains HCl, where drug is broken into small parts. After absorption in small intestine, the drug moves to the blood capillaries from small intestine. When the drug is induced from the mouth till it reaches to the blood capillaries, the drug is in unionized form. See, blood is hydrophilic, so drug also should be in hydrophilic form. It means that the drug should be in ionized form. It is in unionized form till it reaches to blood and become ionized when it enters to the blood. After drug reaches into blood capillaries, the drug is converted into ionized form. Blood moves throughout the body. See, when this hand, when this hand gets hurted, drug reaches to that part also. Drug reaches throughout the body, drug also reaches to that hand part also. Now let us maximize this place, this wounded place. So it contains plasma membrane, cell, tissue, etc. Let us take any part. It may be cell. So that cell contains a layer which is made up of phospholipid. Phospholipid. Phospholipid means it contains lipids, right? Which means they are in lipophilic nature. Lipophilic nature. It means when drugs are distributed throughout the body, they should move to the site of action also. Since cell is in lipophilic nature, drug should convert from hydrophilic nature to lipophilic nature. See, when drug has to reach the cell, they have to pass the cell membrane, which is made up of phospholipid. That phospholipid contains lipophilic nature, so drug has to convert from hydrophilic nature to lipophilic nature. It means the drug should convert from ionized form to unionized form. So I hope you guys understood. When the drug is intaken, there should be in unionized form. Till they reach to the blood capillaries, they can be in unionized form. After they reach blood capillaries, they should convert into hydrophilic nature, which means they have to convert into ionized form. These blood move throughout the body. When they reach the site of action, they have to convert into unionized form because the cells are made up of phospholipids which are in lipophilic nature. So these drug have to convert from hydrophilic nature to lipophilic nature. Conversion of drug into respective need of body is very important. So if they are not ionized form, then they won't dissolve in blood properly. So this ionization process in our body is very important for proper functioning of the body, which include absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Hence, there should be always a good balance between ionized and unionized form. If the drugs are weakly acidic or weakly basic, for example, let us take acetic acid. It is CH3COH. It is in unionized form, that is in neutral form, which upon dissociate it forms CH3CO minus and H plus, where CH3CO minus is a conjugated base, where H plus is a proton or acid. So this is in a ionized form. I hope you guys understood. So ionization is also calculated by Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, which means pH is equal to pKa log ionized divided by unionized for an acid. For base, pH is equal to pKa log unionized divided by ionized. This Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is also called as a degree of dissociation. So I think you guys understood what is ionization, how it takes place in our body and how it relates to biological action. I hope you guys understood the video. If so, hit like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.